Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can hide active status on Facebook. It is very easy process but many people don't know how to do that. So here I am and I will tell you how to do that. It is very easy guys. Just open your Facebook application and log in with your account. Okay, after that just click on three lines option here, then go scroll down and click on security and settings and privacy. After that you will get one option here which is settings. Go to settings. After that you will find show active status option here, active status option here. You can see this one. Okay, so just click on that option and you will find this option here. You can see show when you logged in. Okay, so it is by default turn on, so you need to turn off this option. After that your active status will hide from all your contacts, all your Facebook members. Okay, so use this option and hide your online status from here. Okay, if you are using Facebook on your browser, you can also do that from here. You can go to your three lines, go to settings, and you will find same options here as well. Okay, so go and disable this option. After that your online status or active status will hide from your Facebook friends, Facebook members. Okay, it is very easy process but many people don't know. That's why I created this video, so it may help you if you want this feature to use and how to do that and how to use that. If you don't know, then this tutorial will help you a lot. Okay, so it is very simple, so do that if you want. If you don't want, then turn off turn on again and use your Facebook as normally you use. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.